In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use dependencies within Clickup to streamline your project management. At its core, Clickup dependencies allow you to connect tasks, highlighting how they interrelate, especially when the progress of one task hinges on the completion of another. This function is particularly useful for keeping your project teams aligned and ensuring tasks are executed in the right sequence. The first step to unleashing the power of dependencies is to enable the Dependencies Click app in your workspace settings. So head over to your workspace settings and locate the necessary option to activate the Dependencies Click app. While you're there, consider enabling the Relationships Click app too. This feature is a fantastic addition as it further enhances the capabilities of dependencies, providing deeper insights into your task relationships. Now, let's move on to how you can create a dependency within a specific task. Start by opening the task you wish to manage. Look to the upper right corner, and you'll see an ellipsis or a three-dot menu. Click on this menu to reveal more options. From the drop-down, select Relationships and then choose Dependency. This is where you define the nature of the relationship between tasks. Are they waiting on another task, meaning the current task can't proceed until another is finished? Or are they blocking a task, indicating that another task can't advance until the current one is wrapped up? Once you've determined the type, just search for and select the related task. If you're managing a larger project, you might prefer using the Gantt view for managing dependencies. Once you're in the Gantt view, hover over a task to reveal the connector icon. To create a new dependency, drag this icon to the task you want to link it to. It's as simple as drawing a line from one task to another. And don't worry if you make a mistake or need to revise your dependencies. A quick drag will also allow you to remove any unwanted connections. Understanding these dependency types is key. Recap: a waiting on task cannot start until its preceding task finishes. Conversely, a blocking task implies that the subsequent task can't start till the current one wraps up. This knowledge is crucial for planning and sequencing tasks effectively. Viewing dependencies within Clickup is straightforward. They are visible both in the Task Details pane and the Gantt view, giving you a clear overview of how tasks are linked. Now, let's touch on the benefits of using dependencies. They dramatically improve scheduling by giving you a realistic picture of how tasks fit together, which helps in minimizing errors. With a clear visual roadmap, you ensure tasks aren't started prematurely or delayed unnecessarily. This level of organization is invaluable in reducing project mishaps and streamlining your workflows. By mastering dependencies in ClickUp, you can transform how you manage your projects, ensuring not only improved collaboration, but also more efficient execution of tasks. Thanks for joining us, and happy organizing!